Hello friends, in this video I am going to review Logitech c270 HD webcam. This is the one of the best webcam under 2000 rupees. I am using this webcam for video calling and for the YouTube video creation. If you want to know about this camera specification, you can check it out my description. I will provide all the information related to this webcam. On webcam you can see 720p and there is inbuilt mic in this webcam, and you can see Logi camera wire quality looks good, and there is a user manual in this box. Now let me set up the camera to desktop and then I will display you the video quality of this webcam. I purchased it 1 year ago. Now I got chance to make a video on this webcam. You can see wire quality is good. Now let's quickly connect webcam to desktop and let's see the video quality. This video is captured using Logitech webcam. You can see the video quality is good. It depends on the lighting as well. If you want to increase webcam video brightness or contrast, you have to install Logitech webcam software by going through their website. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.